Hello dear traders, you are watching economic news presented to you by InstaForex news team and me, Kate Nidachina. On Tuesday, the single currency was slightly supported by macroeconomic data regarding the Eurozone economy. Against the greenback, the euro recorded after the recent fall to a 3-month low and rose to the level of $1.30.65. An optimistic bias was accompanied by anticipations of ECB monetary policy statement. Moreover, the Eurostat released its report on retail sales in February. According to the official data, activity in the retail sector increased. The retail sales index grew by 0.9%, despite forecasted 0.4%. The annual reading of the index shot up from -3 to -1.3%. The composite PMI for the Eurozone improved as well. It posted slower pace of decline. In February, it ticked up closer to the benchmark level and stood at 47.9 points. It was InstaForex News and me, Kate Nidachina. See you next releases.